Hello everyone, welcome you all. This is Suresh from Ezra Automation channel. Today I am going to show you the mouse click actions. So whenever you have any web application, there is some places where you need to perform right click operation and also the double click operation. So I will show you a small piece of code where you can achieve using a Selenium. So let's get started. So this is a sample application that I have designed in HTML. And in case if you are working in your application, you will see the same setup. So here I have a two buttons. So one button is a right click one. So when you perform right click, you will see an alert here. So you right clicked inside the div, right? This is the one, and you have one more button called double click, right? Once you double click, you will see something happening. So let's say here I just paste this hello world. So I wanted to automate these two actions using Selenium. Let me open my Eclipse IDE. So I'll create a new class. Let me quickly define the WebDriver instance, WebDriver API manager. So I'm using a WebDriver manager here, WebDriver.chrome setup, Chrome driver.setup, WebDriver instance again, Chrome driver. And using this driver, I will quickly launch application URL. So in my case, I'm using this file. Let me quickly take this file location. Right, let me provide some waiting time as well. Driver.manage manage dot timeout dot implicit wait. So this will wait for a certain period of time before throwing any error. Time units dot seconds, right? So then after we need to take the web element. So web element one. Let's say web element one for this right click operation. So I wanted to right click here and just inspect it. So this is the ID. So let's quickly use this ID. So let's say driver dot find element by dot id, and my id is this, right? So this is the id of web element, and we have another web element, right? So web element, for double click I need to take this right click and just inspect it, right? So this we have double click is an id element 2, and driver dot find element by dot id, and id will be this. So these are the two things that we needed. So now you need to perform certain actions. So you need to perform actions using actions class. So for that, let's call actions. So this is an actions class under org.openqa Selenium interactions. And let's give some reference as actions. New actions. We need to pass driver, right? And using these actions, right? Actions dot. So we need to perform first a right click operation, right? So for doing right click operation in actions class, we have method called context click. So context click, we need to pass the elements location. So first element is a right click operation one, right? So that is for right click and dot perform. So this will enable the perform aggregation, like right clicking with the mouse action kind, similar kind of that it will perform with the context click. And then after you are seeing an alert, right? To disable that alert or accept that alert, we have driver dot switch to dot alert. So we need to accept that alert because it has only OK button, right? Let's say accept. And then after you need to perform double click. So to perform double click, we need to use again actions, right? Actions dot double click with an element. So what is an element? Element 2 is an double click operation. So dot perform we need to do perform dot perform. So these are the two things that we needed. So then once these actions are completed, just quit the browser, driver dot quit, right? So let's quickly save and run this program. It has launched the browser, right? Everything done. So this is how you perform right click and double click using actions class. In case if you wanted to add any assertions, you can do add the assertions following these actions. I hope this small session is useful for you. In case if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Please do comment your questions, queries in my comment section.